What's the meaning of councilwoman? Councilwoman. Councilwoman.
Councilwoman. Councilwoman.
Councilwoman is a term used to refer to a female member of a council, which is a governing body responsible for making decisions on behalf of a community or organization. The role of a councilwoman typically involves attending council meetings, representing the interests of her constituents, and voting on various issues that come before the council.
Councilwomen are elected by the people they represent and serve a specific geographic area or constituency.
They play an important role in shaping local policies and ensuring that the needs and concerns of their communities are heard and addressed.